Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Selman. Today I'm going to talk about cost of IVF abroad. At Medicana Fertility Centre, we understand that the cost of IVF treatment can sometimes be a huge financial burden and usually a major source of stress. And this is the reason why many couples decide to go abroad for their fertility journey. But there are some things that need to be taken into account before going ahead. To have an idea of the cost of IVF abroad in total, please take a look at our video. What is the average cost for IVF? In the United States, for example, you would expect to spend an average of $10,000 or maybe $15,000 US for one cycle of IVF if you're using your own eggs and your partner's sperms. The total amount you'll pay depends on how much medicine you will use, in which state you live, and whether your insurance covers for fertility treatments. Similarly, for the British couples who are not covered by the NHS, the average cost for IVF is around £5,000 or maybe even higher. IVF costs abroad vary between countries and treatment types. And furthermore, within each country, you may find significant differences between clinics, which are more confusing. In Medicana, Istanbul, we offer IVF treatment at a cost of almost half of these prices. But how is this possible? Are we giving lower quality service, or is our success rate lower? Of course not. I can proudly say that we have highly skilled, internationally educated English-speaking staff, and our lab is equipped with cutting-edge technology devices. And most importantly, our pregnancy rates are in European standards. Main reason for the lower prices is that IVF centers in Turkey are working with lower profit margins. And similarly, the medicines are allowed to be sold only with prices defined by the government, so the profit margin with the medicines is also lower than in Europe. Of course, global drug companies are not happy with this, but this is the reality at the moment. With the devaluation of Turkish lira last year, due to currency changes, IVF prices in Turkey became cheaper as when everything did. Of course, only for the foreigners. For example, comparing with the prices in UK, in Istanbul you can get a cappuccino for half the price and a Coke for just a third of price, while a small bottle of water is just 15 pence compared to £1 or more in London. Okay, what about accommodation during the treatment period? We also offer different options for that. You may prefer to stay in a hotel nearby that fits your budget and pay for yourselves, or staying in a fully furnished flat included in the full package. If you choose the full package option, you will just arrange your timetable and buy your flight tickets. You can be sure that there is no hidden cost in our center. And finally, Istanbul is a phenomenal, unique city sprawling on two continents, Asia and Europe, across the Bosphorus. Stunning scenery with mosques and magnificent structures and so much history to delve into. Because you will definitely have enough time to tour around Istanbul to discover the beauties as a tourist during your treatment period. So, why don't you try IVF abroad with affordable prices in Medicana?